Good morning. Today is the 26th of December. Uh, Again, just praying that I get the bus. Post Christmas, first day, not sure, no confirmation, and hence doubtful. Remember the key I lost? It was inside my shoe. And oh well, it rained last night, it's still drizzling, and I am assuming Zoko Valley is been snowed at. It must be beautiful. Stay is still not confirmed. That's to be done on the way. It's 5:29. Quite dark. Waiting for the cab now, Gurung Bhaiya. अब क्रिसमस के सेकेंड वाला दिन है बोल के बस नहीं चलेगा क्या?
आज पता नहीं है वो जाके देखता हूँ ना मुझे भी थोड़ा ऐसा लगता है
नहीं तो शेयर टैक्सी कहाँ से मिलता है?
शेयर टैक्सी तो यहाँ से तो नहीं मिलेगा यहाँ से आपको जाना पड़ेगा ये माऊ है माऊ से फिर एक करना पड़ेगा फिर
The counter is not open yet. It's 5:56. I think they'll open by 6. I'm not sure. There's a list that they have put up. Car number 2, vehicle number 2, Imphal has not been written. So I am not sure. These people are all waiting for Mokokchung. गुरुंग भाई का गाड़ी पंक्चर हो गया. क्या होने वाला है आज? Going to Mokokchung. I think it's a college or school excursion. They're praying before boarding the bus. I think that's their bus. They are putting up a flag. I think we are 5 waiting for an Imphal bus. Not sure. Finally got a ticket. They are charging 250 per ticket, and the time is not a fixed time. They were waiting for more people. The bus would move only after 15 of us would want to travel to Imphal, and luckily now we have 22 and they have given out the tickets. And yeah, met somebody from Maharashtra, very chatty, cute human. Let's see, I will now inform my friends in Imphal that I am on the way.
पीछे ट्राई करेगा पीछे डालना पड़ेगा सीट नंबर कहाँ ढूंढना how to find out okay
They've got space backside for the bags. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I can use this.
there is enough space actually
Backside.
yeah
Where is seat number? No.
Yeah, behind the seat.
That's on the ticket.
ticket it is
Ticket.
there it's written by pen
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
मेरे हिसाब से एक डेढ़ घंटे में माओ बॉर्डर तक पहुंच जाएंगे ना।
Yes.
हाँ, तो वहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट रहेगा मेरे हिसाब से। पार्टनर नहीं है।
So, Mao Gate, they will stop for you to get your LP done. Not sure of the process. Oh, my lace is. So I did apply twice, which I did not get a exception notice. But the guard bhaiya saw my three attempts and he laughed at me. He said, "Oh, you put a pretty picture also. Let me just give you a printout. I have just approved it." So it just happened quickly for me. Also, you need to have a booking done where you're staying. That has to be confirmed, and if not that, you need to have a local guardian there or anything of that sort. I had to pay $100, that's all. And my hotel is already booked. I booked it in the morning on the way. So also stopped just after Mao Gate, and when people are getting down from the bus, there's a guy checking the pass again. And this is a hotel that I'm going into. I told the driver, भैया please मुझे छोड़ के मत जाना. He was like, मैं भी आ रहा हूँ, उधर ही खाऊंगा. I was like, हाँ आ जाओ चलते हैं.
You will not get roti, chapati, puri, all of this for breakfast. Rice is the one.
Mouth freshener. That's the Maharashtrian guy. If somebody asked me if I'm from Tamil Nadu, first time, half of the population in Arunachal Pradesh thought I'm a tribal like them. Few thought I'm a foreigner, God knows from where. In Assam, people do not believe I'm from Assam. That's the one who thought I am from Tamil Nadu. I think I don't know where I belong anymore. People keep telling me that I belong somewhere else. It's funny.
उतर गया। ठीक क्या हो गया?
बोलो
तो लुमडिंग में उतर गया मैं।
लुमडिंग नहीं, लमडिंग।
लमडिंग, ओके व्हाटएवर। सो मैं टिकट गुवाहाटी का निकाला था, लमडिंग में उतरा, लमडिंग से ट्रेन पकड़ा, फिर दीमापुर आया और फिर वहां रुक गया और वहां से परमिट लिया। नॉट बिलीव दीमापुर जाना है ना अब। अबे ऐसे कंफर्म नहीं दे रहे, क्योंकि मेरे को बैग लेना है दीमापुर से, दैट इज फॉर श्योर।
तो दीमापुर तो जाके लेओगे बैग?
हाँ लूंगा, एक मिनट फोन कर। हेलो,
He's confusing everybody about where he wants to go.
जाने से दीमापुर तक कटेगा।
जाना तो कोई में से ही जाना पड़ेगा ना।
हाँ, तो वही मैं करता हूँ. What he saying I understand. Direct बस पकड़ लो instead of changing 2-3 buses.
हाँ
वो अगर डायरेक्ट आप इम्फाल से आएंगे
ये बात समझा देंगे.
पहले कोहिमा आएंगे तो कोहिमा जाके दीमापुर जाएंगे और दीमापुर से वो रूट तो वही हो गया. तो ओनली थिंग मैं व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू इज गोइंग बाय बस. मैं क्या सोच रहा हूँ कि दीमापुर उतर जाऊँगा और ट्रेन से जाऊँगा. कंफर्टेबल जर्नी. अब तो ट्रेन पे अच्छा रहेगा. मतलब दीमापुर से हो गया सॉर्ट आउट हो गया. सॉर्टेड. अभी नहीं हुआ.
I have gotten down near my junction where I need to go. Now driving suitcase. This is my life. यार इधर ना सब हेल्प करना चाहते हैं बट समझाने में ना जान निकल जाती है. लैंग्वेज बैरियर. उनको समझाते समझाते मुझे भूख लग गया. I just did the formalities and entered the room. It's a elegant one room for one human being and I'm so happy. Last night I did not have quilt. I did not have a blanket. मैं बोली मुझे ब्लैंकेट चाहिए एंड मुझे 2 स्लीपिंग बैग मिला. वार्म था लेकिन कंफर्टेबल नहीं था. खस आवाज़ आता था. बट आई हैव ब्लैंकेट टुनाइट. क्विल्ट है एंड द टॉयलेट इज ऑसम. ओह दैट्स द लाइट. ओके द लाइट इज लेस बट इट्स गुड. इट्स क्लीन and I'll sleep like a queen today. Yay! इतना भूख लग रहा है. On the way, as soon as I entered, I asked for the menu and whoa, guys, can you believe it? कल मैंने hardly कुछ खाया. Yes, मुझे वो lady gave me food, but it was big pieces of meat and I do not like. I'm a hardcore non-vegetarian, but I cannot stand big pieces of anything, even vegetables. तुम अगर इतना बड़ा पीस कैरेट का डाल दोगे ना मैं छूऊंगी भी नहीं उसको. I'll just like ignore. So कल मैंने इग्नोर किया even though मैंने पूरा दिन कुछ नहीं खाया. I was so hungry but I could not eat. So आज मैं खाऊंगी. Into a local bora place. It's a thing. My friend got me here. And this is a nice cup of tea, glass of tea. So I enjoyed some fish bora and some vegetable bora. I just met Manipuri actor called Boni Sharma with his family. I don't want to click a picture or I don't want to record anything about it because it's his personal family time and I don't want to invade that. But just after I met him, I googled him up, and then his wife was just near me, and I was like, I'm googling your husband right now. Yeah. This time it's not a selfie.
Just try to frame this flag.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a flag for Manipur.
Oh, Manipur has a flag.
Yeah, this Manipur flag.
Whoa. I did not know that.
It has 7 colors. So this 7 color represents 7 clans.
Clans.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. Finally, we found this ATM. For so long, we have been looking for an ATM. You have no idea, there are very few ATMs in Imphal. Oh god, everything that I'm searching in Google Map is showing me 13 hours. There's severe network problem here, and somehow we just drove around like mad people and we found this one. Oh god. I reached room by, what's the time now, 8 o'clock, and it was quite an evening. My friend forgot the card code. I don't have the card on me. My card is with my best friend, so I am a little, I cannot spend all of the cash, and I have to be careful. So my cash is almost over, so I transferred 5,000 bucks to my friend who had to withdraw the money and give it to me, but blocked the card. Could not find any other ATMs. Found one where he blocked the card, and again he had to withdraw from his credit card. Oh god, it was crazy. And so now I am waiting for dinner and my cough is not leaving me. I have been having my cough syrup. Oh, tomorrow's plan. Now I know from which bus stop I'm supposed to take away bus. I'm not taking cabs. I'm going total, budget budget traveler scenes. Bhaskar's influence, because he really spends a very minimal amount while traveling, and he keeps saying you don't really need money to travel. So I'm doing local public transports. I am not hiring any cab, which would be more convenient and easy. But today's ride I got it for 250 bucks, which otherwise would have costed me around 2,500 to 3,000 rupees. So that is a big achievement of the day. So tomorrow I'm going to apply the same logic, take public transports, share, and let's see what the cost comes up to tomorrow. So this hotel again is the cheapest hotel that I found according to all of the sites that I checked. Somehow traveling in Northeast is a little expensive because we do not have hostel culture as such, like the trusted, renowned chains are not available in Northeast, which is why it's a little expensive. I'm having to book hotel rooms on my own alone. I'm a solo traveler, so I cannot really share with somebody else the room. And so tomorrow's plan is you will see tomorrow. But overall it was a very good day, and I am really grateful because all of the strangers that I met today have been really a blessing, and they have all been very nice. सब safe थे, किसी ने कुछ नेगेटिव वाइब नहीं दिया, किसी ने दिल नहीं दुखाया, किसी ने कुछ गंदा नहीं किया. So that's a blessing. I'm blessed today. Nothing negative. I have a quilt and I have a clean room. I am blessed.